Hi, this is David with Sensible Property Management. I'm the owner, and I just wanted to answer, your question about cleaning. So you are a prospective tenant, and you've gone out to look at a home, and you see it's not as clean as you would like, and I certainly respect that. We do have a professional maid service company that goes out and does clean. They do occasionally miss things, so if you see something in a corner or window or something that was clearly missed, take a picture. But in terms of the overall cleanliness of redoing the whole home, it is as it is. I understand that you may have a higher standard, but we have to keep the cost reasonable for the owners. So we spend a certain amount of hours there cleaning and move forward. So just if it's not something strange, just clean it to your level. Feel free to clean it to your level when you move in, and no problem. But we're not able to re-clean it because we've already paid a professional to get it up to the standard that we have. So hopefully that makes sense. Like I said, anything unusual, take a picture, send it to us. We'll be happy to look at it. Thank you.